So what we've been doing as of recent for our customers is building what we like to call AI command centers, which has proven to be pretty popular. This is an example, top of screen. We created it for a principal accountant over in Mile End. Obviously, all of the data has just been changed to protect, the privacy of the business. So I'll go through exactly how this all works and why it's so effective. So the command center is directly connected to all of Marcus's apps that he works on to run his accountancy firm day by day. So it's connected to his bookkeeping software, all of his email, listens to every one of his meetings, reads all of his 365 apps, so all of his Word documents, his PowerPoint slideshows. It's even connected to his ATO portal. If we go to the first tab on the left-hand side, which is his daily briefing tab, this is everything that the AI has decided for him to action. So it kind of suggests, the first thing to action. And that is, for example, a notice of review. If he clicks on review, it's actually already pre-written a email reply to Caritas Transport Group. He can even edit this one. I can edit this if he's not particularly, happy with everything that the AI has written. And what he can do is he can just approve and send once he clicks on that button and it's sent to that customer. So next up we have the inbox tab. This is essentially just a summary of all of the most important emails that the AI has decided for him to attend to. It's ruled out all of the emails that doesn't require his attention, and that obviously includes, spam, even important emails that doesn't really require a reply. Next up is we have meetings. The AI command center listens to every meeting that the whole firm conducts, even meetings that doesn't really involve himself. So as an example, the first meeting is partners WIP and pipeline review. This was a meeting that was conducted on the 10th of July, 8:30 a.m. It involved himself as well as 3 others. What it's done is it's reviewed it and actions that needed to take place. So what Marcus can do is approve allocations and send follow-ups. So what that's done is it's sent all of these follow-ups to these particular employees for him. And next up is we have diary. So this is connected directly to his calendar. So a client asked to move Wednesday to 4 p.m. So it's suggested a rebalance here. So Marcus can just accept the move and it'll actually rebalance his entire calendar for the day. As we go on, we've got the papers tab. So what the AI has done here is it's pre-read a 48-page July board pack document. It's summarized the key points and it's also suggested questions that is worth Marcus asking. So it's actually determined that, here cash cover has dropped below their board zone floor and director loans are creeping up again. And Marcus can add questions to his meeting agenda. Next one is quite interesting. This is a rundown of all of Marcus's employees that work under him. So it's actually quietly tracking workload and review cycles across the whole firm. So if we click on, Sophie, for example, it's flagged that she's underwater twice this week. So I don't know, this could be a burnout signal that, could lead to a resignation, for example. And, if we click on prior here, the AI has noticed that she carried this Harborough win. Her scope grew from 40% under her lead. So that's, some insight that Marcus wouldn't have perhaps thought of himself. If we click on Alan, the AI has noticed that he's great on the phones, more suited to a business development role rather than pure service. I don't know, it's a suggestion. Click on Grace, July invoice run staged with 0 errors, 3rd clean month running. So she seems like a good employee in the AI's eyes. Lastly, we've got firm rhythm. This is pretty much every recurring deadline the practice runs on. So it essentially lists all the projects that the firm is undergoing. Green is on track, red is behind, and yellow is watch. So we can see here 64% for the monthly client review meetings. So here Marcus can check overall how his firm is performing in a nice, clean and easy to read dashboard. This is an example of a command center that was developed for Marcus. Obviously, every command center that we produce for our clients is different because it's based on the needs of that particular client. So if you want an app that's similarly designed to this one, give us a call or visit our website at setech.com.au. These command centers are really useful for our clients. They can provide really great insight into how the business is running. It can save hours in admin tasks and really increase productivity for everyone in the workplace. So thanks for listening.